Residual income is possible with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a very important business move to everyone. It involves particular needs of an individual's business, along with personal networking and marketing strategies. It can seem a bit confusing as to where you need to begin. These tips can help you make sense of the confusion to start marketing like a professional. Always remember the importance of education. Know the basics of HTML, data feed manipulation, and product design. Bookstores and the internet can serve as wonderful resources for this. Having a good handle on basic affiliate marketing techniques will improve your site, as well as your income potential. Stay focused on the content offered on your site. Do not compromise your content to better cater to the affiliate programs you are using, because it will cause you to lose your readers. If you lose the readers, you lose the opportunity to make any money off of the ads that you have on your site. To push your affiliate marketing programs to their highest level, you should try to keep the content of your page up to date and write about things that are still relevant, even if it is from a year ago. Someone who finds outdated content on your page as a first impression may be lost and never come back. To keep your affiliate marketing business generating the most money for you, you should use an autoresponder. This will send them a series of emails or tweets that keep bringing your affiliate marketing product in front of them, which will increase the chance that they will click through and buy. Before and after pictures are a simple but effective way to use visuals to your promotional advantage. Include a caption or accompanying text box that clearly explains the condition of the subject in the pictures, how your product or service was used to create that change, and detailed information about the after state. To keep up with the trends in affiliate marketing, make sure that you read some of the top blogs in the industry. This will help you to stay current, so that your style is not outdated when you are developing your writing. Stay up to date if you want to increase your capabilities. While affiliate marketing is an important business move for many businesses, it does share the main goal of promoting your business to a wider audience. As you have seen in these tips, there are various approaches, but they are all created around the idea of helping you bring in more attention, customers, and sales. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.